everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, we're going to make a super cool sign out of these wall decals and this little shelf thing I got from Dollar Tree. Look at this shelf thing. It came with like strings, like almost like macrame, and 2 boards. So we're going to start by painting the boards, all of it white. And then once it's dry, we put on some Mod Podge, and then we have some, I printed on some tissue paper and I put that on. And so this first one says behold, and then we put more Mod Podge on the other one, and then the second one says I will do a new thing, which is from Isaiah 43. If you know it, you know it's amazing. It's a great reminder. And so there we go. We have it on there and exciting. Now these are the wall decals. Now I'm going to just tell you, put them on however you feel like it works. Honestly, just be aware that they will tear if you do not take them off of that paper really carefully. Ask me how I know that. So what I'm going to do is just attach it. Now I suppose you could put Mod Podge down first, but I didn't think I needed to. And then I'm just sanding off of the excess of the butterfly. And I do that, you know, again, just put on however you think it looks good. I was actually trying to go around, see how you can still see the tissue paper a little bit. That'll disappear a little bit more when we put some more Mod Podge on. But here's the cool thing too. I wanted to mention this. So partway through doing this, I was like, oh, wait a minute. Let's make the butterflies go half, part on, and whatever excess, we'll put it on the top so that it looks like it's a continuation. Fun, right? So the neat thing about this is that these wall decals will come off of the boards that you put down, and it doesn't tear or anything. See that I put that there and I actually moved it. So, okay, I tell you this because for me, I get like paranoid, like, oh no, the whole thing's going to be ruined. And it's not. And that's the nice thing. When I have a little bit more wiggle room, all is right with the world. I was just putting an extra coat of Mod Podge after all of that was put down. And then here I'm making the ring. I'm putting on the ring. It's like macrame cord almost. It's like cotton cording. And I'm going to put I doubled it. So I took the 2 pieces and I folded them in half. And that's what I put on the ring. And now we're just going to thread them into the holes of the shelf, so that it goes in the back. You could put it in the front, I suppose, but it would cover up our pretty butterflies, and we don't want to do that. So I did that, and I do that on both sides, right? And you just want to make however you would like it, spacing wise. You want more space, less space, whatever. I put a knot at the bottom, and then I just trimmed the ends, and are you kidding me? Look at how cool this is. And what a fun way to use those wall decals. I love it. Again, I got this stuff at Dollar Tree. You wouldn't know it though. Huh. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.